Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is from my good friends at HM Graphics in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This is a piece they produced for client John Deere, and this was designed by the John Deere in-house design team. And this piece had a really special purpose. They designed this to go out to their dealer network in limited quantities, and then the dealers get to choose which key clients get this special marketing kit and a gift card that was also inside. So really nicely designed, beautiful crossovers on the cover. They've got this flap on the pocket folder. It opens up. It's got a couple of flaps for pocketed areas. This was the side that had the gift card and probably a letter and other materials. But anyway, over here, I want to focus on this. So this brochure is so cool. It's a format we've never seen on Fold of the Week. It's a hybrid, so it's more than one format, those characteristics combined together. This is a closed gate snake fold hybrid. So it starts like this, is hexagonal shape, and then it looks like it's going to gatefold out like here and here, but instead it gates this way. So this is a closed gate, so there's that first characteristic, and then it's actually reverse snake folds this way from two directions, and then ends in the middle. So a classic snake would actually kind of start in the middle and roll out this way. They're kind of big roll folds. And I love how this one reverse snake folds and then in two directions works its way up to a closed gate. There is a box score right here. This is 16.C2S, so it gets pretty thick. There's about a, I don't know, I'd call it maybe 3/16, eighth to 3/16 box score there to accommodate for that dimensionality and make it just nice and flat. It just folds beautifully. These are die score hand fold, and these were printed offset with a flood aqueous coating for protection. This is 20.C2S. So just so many nice details. I did about 2,200 of these. Just brilliant design, format, great package. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Closed gate snake fold hybrid format and package. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.